Stock market update, June 8th, 2021, 4:48 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. We're looking at the S&P 500. We see that the S&P 500 today is bumping up against these all-time highs. And looks like we made an all-time high. Look at that. Unless I'm wrong about something, which I hardly ever am. You can trust me on that. Yeah, it looks like S&P 500 made new all-time highs. And as I was saying, I thought that this was coming, even if it was only going to be by a couple pennies. But it pulled back. It touched some all-time highs, and it pulled back all the way down here, close to that 421-ish area or something, and then rallied up here to the 422. So at the moment, you can see we went down, we went up, we went down, but overall we have been basically going sideways. And you can tell that we've been going sideways. We're going so sideways that the 20-day moving average is actually just sideways. Let's look at XLF, the financial sector, or at least an ETF that tracks the big financials. XLF gapped down a little bit today, traded down here to that 20-day moving average, rallied right back up, but still ended lower. All right, so here's where it's been building this support, traded below that. But you know, the body of the candle and the close of the candle still looks like still looks in line on this, you know, $38 mark. So that seems, see how it goes tomorrow, but it still seems in line with going sideways. Let's look at the big tech stuff. The big tech stuff opened, gapped up a little bit, opened up higher, traded way down here, traded way down there, but opened here, closed here, basically closed right where it had been closing for the last few candles. SMH, the semiconductors. SMH, similar thing, opened higher and sold off. Some buyers came in, but look at this. We basically, this whole candle right here looks like a little bit engulfed. So this, all the red thickness of this is thicker, longer, wider, whatever than this one. A little bit more selling volume, but nonetheless still sideways. Small cap stocks, IWM. IWM has been on a bit of a bullish run. Maybe we're going to be testing up against these highs up here around 235-ish. Bit of a gap up and then traded all the way to here, to here, to here, closed there. Q's, technology index. Q's moving up also. Gapped up a bit today. Traded all the way down here to test yesterday's open, and then buyers rallied it up to here. So closed a little bit higher than it closed yesterday. Even though the candle's red, it's still up. And if you look at from back here on the 16th, we're still right in that area on the 16th of 335-ish, 336. We'll see how much we can get up into this area of the 340 range this week, since we're on Tuesday. Well, that's the quick and dirty for the moment, ladies and gentlemen. What am I personally expecting of the stock market for the rest of the week? Well, if you've been following along with this blog, I think it's a bit of a sideways movement for the rest of the week. That's my guess. I could totally be wrong, but most of the stuff, yeah, it's going up, it's going down, but it's netting out to about sideways. So at the moment, unless something really starts showing a change, I think that's at least what this week will continue to do. Well, we will see. Like that, hit the like button for me. Show me some love. Like the button. Like the button. Like the button. Like this video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Join the Facebook group. Head over to the website tradinginvestingstrategies.com and join up on the newsletter, which we're putting together some special stuff for you. And most importantly, send me a message somehow. Let's have a conversation. Let's see how you and I, if we have any synergies and there's a way we can work together. You guys have a fantastic night, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.